Here we go.
This might be Fanum's most insane tax ever. This inevitable force has seen its target. No man can change the destiny now.
I need that. But hold on, bro. Hold on.
Panic is setting in on Kai. They all know what is about to happen.
Bro, they put me as the face of the chicken Big Mac. I gotta eat it first. I need that though. So you gotta get me right. Listen, you know the drill. You know what I'm here for. It's about that time. Let me just help you out. Alright, let me just go ahead and help you out real quick.
Kai is trying everything he can, but it's too late now. Fanum strikes. The burger was taxed.